Good morning. Time to wake up.
I am so tired. But I need to get up.
First things first. Brush your teeth every morning. I always make coffee first. I cannot start the day without it. I usually have toast for breakfast, simple and quick. What is the weather today? Oh, good. It is sunny. I am ready go. I do not want to be late. Keys, phone, bag. I have everything. Let us go. Let us go. I love walking in the morning. The air is fresh and clean. Good morning. How are you today? Very well, thank you. Have a good day. Can I have a large latte, please?
Of course. Your name?
Sophia, thank you. How much is it?
That is $4.50, please.
Oh no, I am late. I have to hurry. Thank you. Sorry, I am a little late today.
No problem. Come in.
Good morning, everyone. How was your weekend? Let me check my emails first. Then I will start my work. Excuse me, can you help me with this? Of course. What do you need? I can't find the file.
We must continue to innovate.
I agree. That is a very good idea. Sorry, can you say that again? I did not understand. Are you free for lunch? Let us eat together.
Yes! Great idea. Where do you want to go?
Excuse me, what time is it? It is 12:30. The weather is so nice today. Did you go outside for lunch? Yes, I ate in the park. It was lovely. See you tomorrow. Have a good evening. You too. Take care. Hi, it is Sophia. Are you busy right now? Hey, not really. What is up? I just finished work. I am walking outside now. Do you want to meet for dinner tonight? 7 o'clock? Hey, I am on my way now. The restaurant is on Park Street, near the big library. Perfect! See you at 7. Bye-bye! I need to go shopping. I have a long list today. Long list today. Let me find the fruit first, then the bread, then milk. Excuse me, where is the bread? Aisle 4, on the left side. These apples look good. Fresh and red. I will take 6. This one is cheaper. I will take this one. Can I pay by card? Yes, of course. Please tap here. Do you have anything for a headache?
Yes. Do you want tablets or liquid?
Yes. Do you want tablets or liquid? How many do I take? And how often?
2 tablets. 3 times a day. With food.
Hello. I have an appointment at 3 o'clock. Your name, please? Sophia. I have a headache, and I feel very tired. How long have you felt this way? How long have you felt this way?
How long have you had these symptoms?
Since this morning. About 5 hours. Excuse me, how do I get to the train station?
Go straight. Then turn left at the park.
I want to send this. To the UK, please.
Standard or express?
Excuse me, what is the Wi-Fi password? It is Coffee Shop 2026. All one word. I would like to return this. I have the receipt. Of course. What is the reason? Excuse me, I love your dress. It is beautiful. Thank you so much. That is very kind. Can I have 1 slice of the chocolate cake?
Of course. Good choice.
I am going out tonight. I am so excited. Let me see. Sorry I am a little late. Sophia, over here. I could not find the restaurant, but I am here now. Can I have a sparkling water, please?
Of course. And for you?
What do you recommend? I cannot decide. The pasta is amazing here. Try that.
I will have the pasta, please. And a green salad.
Excellent choice. Thank you.
Thank you. This is delicious. You were right to recommend it. I told you, the best in the city. Excuse me, could we have some more bread, please? Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?
Of course. I will bring it now.
Can we split the bill? Half and half.
Of course. 2 separate cards?
Tonight was so much fun. We must do this again soon. Yes! Same time next week? What a good day. I am tired, but happy. Time to go to bed. I am exhausted. Comment below, which sentence do you use every day? Subscribe for more slow English practice. See you tomorrow. Good night. Sleep well. See you tomorrow.